This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Norvie Ramos. Spacious 3-bedroom home with fenced-in backyard. Enjoy 1,550 square feet of living. Wood grain ceramic tile flooring on the first level. Washer and dryer included. Detached 1-car garage, 2 fireplaces, wood burning. Modern first floor plan. Open galley-styled kitchen, large dining counter for entertaining or everyday dining. Master has private bath and his/her closet doors. Unique bathroom windows overlooking staircase for additional light. Pet-friendly West/owner approval. Income/rental verification. Renters ins. Required. Easy online application, $50/adult. Go to www.townerentals.com. Occupied, call/text for appointment. For more information, review the details below.